Hello, welcome to my video. So this video is about how to use multimeter and it's an easy steps for beginners. First, I want to ask you, what is multimeter? Multimeter is an electronic measuring instrument that combines several measurement functions in one unit. Multimeter can be used for measuring voltage, current, and also for measuring resistance. There are some parts of multimeter. The first is on and off button, then data hold button, and then selecting button, range control button, socket for transistor test, 10A input jack, MA input jack, COM input jack, and voltage or ohm input jack. So now, let's move to our experiment. The materials and tools that you need are battery, multimeter set, and extension stop contact. First, put the black jack to the COM input jack. Then, plug the red jack to the voltage or ohm input jack. And then, turn on the multimeter and switch the dial to beep symbol. It's for checking does the multimeter works or not. If there's beep sound, so it works. And we start with the direct current or DC. We use a battery with 1.5 voltage. So for direct currents, we switch the dial to the 20 in the side of the DC. The black jack is for negative and the red jack is for positive. So let's see, does the battery contains of 1.5 voltage or not? Okay, as you can see, the battery is 1.6 voltage. So now let's move to the alternating current or AC. For the AC, we switch the dial to the side of AC, and because the home voltage is usually 220, so we set it at 750. And we can see the result. In the stop contact, the voltage is 206. So that's all for my video. I hope it's helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.